Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change trading password on KuCoin. So first of all, just open up the KuCoin application. Then you have to make sure that you are logged into your account and then tap on this top left on your profile picture or the logo. Then when you scroll down a bit, you can see this option security and then you can see this change password. Just simply tap on it and here you will get few options. So you can set your login password and your trading password. So click on trading password and then here you have to enter the code you will receive on your Gmail, and after that you just have to enter your old password if you have already set it up, and then you have to enter your new password twice. If you forgot your old trading password, in the bottom you will see the option forgot password, and then an email will be sent to you and you will also need to verify your identification. So by doing that, you can easily change your trading password on KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.